What if I told you there's a brand new airdrop backed by Polygon Ventures and Consensus, where you can start earning real points today completely free, and also you can get trust tokens for free in this brand new airdrop. Here is a full introduction into the Intuition's native token known as Trust, and I have put the whole links in the description of the video, and that you can access our Telegram channel and see all the links and updates today. Real-time updates there, so you can click on the links easily, join every airdrop, and be up to date with the airdrop world. Before connecting our wallet to the website, we need to know how much is the funding and who are the backers of this project. So the more backers the project has, the more legit and the more rewards you can gain from that airdrop. About the Intuition network, you can participate, earn IQ points for activity, which may translate into future trust tokens at mainnet launch planned for Q4 2025. Migration retains your base network progress. And about the funding, this project has raised $4 million from the backers like Consensus, Shima, Polygon Ventures, Delao, and etc. So let's go and see how we can participate in this great airdrop. You need to come into this website. I have put the link in our Telegram channel in the description. So you can connect your wallet here using your MetaMask. After connecting your wallet, it asks you to sign to verify. So we need to sign a message here. So it asks you to sign the message and you confirm it. Now it asks you to accept its terms and privacy policy. You can read them and then you can click on accept. Now it says the wallet is connected and we are ready to go. Down here in the website, you can add a network to wallet. So you click on this one and you approve. It says that adding network to your MetaMask. So after you have switched your network, now you need to come back to your MetaMask and copy your wallet address. Now, as you can see, I am in the Intuition network and it shows my balance. Now you copy your address from here and then you go to the faucet section and you click on launch. After you click on launch, you come down to this section. It has written faucet. And then you need to just paste your wallet address here and click on request. So here it shows you a message and tells that you have actually received the faucet tokens. Even you can check them in your wallet. If you are in the Intuition Testnet, you come to the wallet and you can see that I have 0.1 T-Trust token. And also in the Explorer section, you can see that there are many transactions on this network. It shows that people are really engaging in this airdrop. Here you can see that the number is increasing really fast. After that, you received your testnet tokens. You come to the bridge section and we are going to bridge some tokens in order to have some transactions in our wallet. You need to connect your wallet from up here. Use the MetaMask wallet and you will see a pop-up in your wallet. It says that connect to this website and you choose the connect. It says for security reasons, withdrawals on testnet rollups must wait 1 hour before they can be completed. That's okay. So here we need to bridge Intuition Testnet into base Sepolia. You need to enter the amount. For example, I enter this much, or you can enter this much. That's okay. Now you click on transfer tokens. We are bridging from Intuition to base Sepolia. If you have already received the base Sepolia faucet before, you can swap from base Sepolia to Intuition Testnet, and that's okay. So here we sign a transaction and confirm this transaction. So here you can see my balance decreased on Intuition Testnet. It says that transaction sent and was successful. If you see error while you are bridging, try to change the amount. For example, like this, change the amount each time and don't do repetitive fast transactions. Change the amount each time so that it may not think that you are a robot. Once again, we sign the transaction. This time I got the error, so that I'm changing the amount into something else, just like this. And this time you see that the transaction was successful. So that's all for this website. Here we are in the testnet launch and we did the bridge. But for this website, that's all. We don't need to do anything else. And let's go to their guild. I put the link in our Telegram channel, and you can join and click on the link. And joining their guild, first you need to sign into their website. You can use the MetaMask. Exactly the same wallet address that you have collected to their previous website. After connecting to their website, it needs to verify your address. So you click on that and it will check your wallet and verify. So here we need to first join their guild. And for joining their guild, we need to complete a CAPTCHA. You click on that. So here you can check access to join. And before that, you need to connect all of your social networks and email to this guild website. Okay, done. Now I have access to complete a CAPTCHA or have the Intuition role in Intuition server. So for that, we click on the connect Discord button, and we give access to our Discord here. So here it says that Discord is connected. So these tasks are super easy and you can do them by yourself. Here it says that follow Intuition on X, and then you can get access to this one. And this one requires, I think, for $5. I haven't done it yet. You can choose yourself to pay for this or not. And that's all. If you want to stay tuned for the next updates about Intuition Testnet, Airdrop, and other new airdrops, feel free to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Also, you can join our Telegram channel for more information.